Is it time to show your moss who's boss? Moss shortens the lifespan of any roof. It creates water damage, wood rot, insect infestation, and clogged gutters. So maintenance is important, and so is protecting our environment. That's why most experts begin by coating your roof with an eco-friendly moss-killing agent. But don't be fooled. That does not mean chemical-free. It means natural chemicals. Here's some clarity. Most eco-sprays contain natural chemicals like potassium salt, mineral sulfites, and acetic acid. When the chemically absorbed dead moss leaves your property for composting, it brings harmful chemicals into the ecosystem, affecting everything from the soil it touches to the food chain. At Clarity, we don't kill moss. We gently remove it, then spray it after, leaving your roof free of moss and nature free of harm. So contact us today and ask us how together we can bring clarity back to nature for a chance to a cleaner, greener Earth.